Hello, in this video, I'll give you a walkthrough on how to use Kalodata to track performance and trends. So you can start by going to kalodata.com and signing up for a free or paid account. And once you're logged in, you will land on your dashboard. And there you can explore product performance, add analytics, and content trends across different platforms like TikTok, Amazon, or Shopify. Use the left-hand menu to navigate between tools such as the Product Tracker, Ad Spy, or Audience Finder. These tools help you discover viral products, monitor ad creatives, and understand market behavior. You can hover over each item to get more detailed metrics like engagement rate, click-through rate, and estimated revenue. Use the filter options to narrow down results based on region, platform, engagement, or niche. Color data is constantly updated, but if your version looks different, features may be placed under tabs like Explore or Insights. And yeah, it's a great tool whether you're a creator, dropshipper, or just exploring trends. And that's basically it. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.